Yo. Oh, let me get comfy. Here we go. That's better. Just marking out the charts and stuff now. Doing a quick run on M15, seeing what's going on. Another day, another dollar to make. Yeah. Good news on the payout, and also bad news. It's been approved, but they've delayed it by 3 days because of the thingy in it. What's it called? The holiday, the American thing, the holiday thing. So they've delayed it because of that. But I think that's a way for them to avoid paying out, so they can sell a few more accounts and get a bit more money, which makes sense because it's a prop firm, obviously. So yeah, but I don't mind. The payout's coming. It's been approved anyway, so it'll just be a few more days later. I don't really mind that much. Ultimately, I'm not that bothered. How did your gold trade go anyway? Then you ended up cashing out just a bit over 1 hour, I think, innit? Okay, like a little channel going on here, and then you've got this going on here, so that's interesting. So I'd like to see price kind of break these lows ideally. This low as well, so I'll mark that out as 27. So I'll just do 0.2 on there. I want to see it kind of drop down and leave a bunch of highs and target the highs out roughly. No, because your SL was 90 pips in it, so it was like 1.2 odd or something, right? So you made at least 100% on that trade, because 1 hour is 100%, isn't it? 121 in it. So you made like 110% or something. Oh yeah, I'm talking about R, innit? Risk reward. They made like 1 point. Yeah. If I said 1.2%, that's I meant R. My bad. 1.2% would be if you're risking 1%, yeah.
Quaker is an official sponsor of Team GB, and rightly so. After all, the rowing...
Okay, you chill out, yeah. Covered my set, yeah. I know what you mean, yeah. I'm just gonna turn the audio down a bit. That should be okay. Perfect. Yeah. I got you. Right. Anyway, let's do all the funny stuff with the thingamajiggy.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
I don't have any more like welcomes or anything, but that's fine, that'll do. So the aim of today's game is gonna be to try catch another trade. We caught that break even yesterday. Oh, look at these longs on New York session. Wow. Build up, drop down, flew off from there. I don't know if there's an entry on there. I'm just gonna have a quick look at that right now. It's outside of my ideal time window. Maybe there was an entry right here. Oh no, would have got swerved. Would have got swerved. Yeah, but that was a nice move there though. Nice move. Anyway. Yeah, they've updated the account, but I'm not going to trade it because I'm not going to risk breaking any rules or anything like that for the sake of sacrificing a payout. I just need to... Oh, let me message the support team so I can get my free 50k. One second. Because I tried doing it yesterday, but it was like late at night, so obviously I didn't. Let me just get the account detail. They've added 3 days onto my payout cycle, which isn't bad because it just gives you 3 more days, obviously. But I think they're kind of doing it so then you don't obviously have the issue, innit? So chat with those, general inquiry, FAQ. Oh no, I messed up. Start over. You talk to a person. Support in general. I need support. Account number. Email, message. Hi, I passed my funded and my payout being approved. Can I get my free 50k please? There. So let's keep that open in the background so you can obviously get that. So yeah, better late than never for sure. Yeah, but now they want me to do 4 minimum trading days and the 0.5% times 2 days in a 14-day cycle. So obviously I've got all the screenshots and everything, so I'm just telling them no, that's not right, because Alex didn't say that. Alex is the boss. Because I've got the screenshots and stuff, so I'm just gonna have to get them to update the account with the old rules of 0.5% over two weeks, which I don't mind, because what I'll do is I'll just take my time. Then in one payout cycle, if I get 1 TP and I'm up like 4 or 5%, I'll just wait for the next payout cycle and then try to reduce my risk, or I can be a bit more risky in that next cycle to catch the 2.5%, if that makes sense. That's what I'm thinking. Anyway, we come up to these highs. What has this done on GBP? We've taken out this side. Pound's going to be weaker to short, obviously, so better to short because it's weaker. Don't know what the hell I meant then, did I? Just blah, 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 blah. So yeah, and obviously we've got a channel going on here also, so I like the look of shorts on GU. Naturally, if I'm shorting GU, I'm going to be buying GJ. And if we do get a sell-off from the dollar again, because we've had really bad labor data and stuff like that, I still think the yen's weak enough where the pound still might go against the yen and still go bullish on GJ, so I'm still looking for buys because of that. And we're building a lovely channel here, both sides. Basically a wedge, or whatever they call them, innit? Flag pattern wedge, or whatever they're called. People call them all sorts of things. I don't even know what they call them nowadays. So let's just draw the nearest invalid M5 so I know where to target. Invalid on the M5, and then invalid will be, yeah, this this one here on M5. Yeah, better on going on there. So I can at least target down to this level as long as we break structure and stuff. But obviously we got this little low right here, which I don't like the look of. So have a look at gold. Let's have a look at gold because you're here. I love this drop off on gold yesterday, bro. Look at that. That is beautiful. Come out, took these lows, flew all the way back up, yeah. And now prices all the way down here. Took out almost these lows, but took out these lows right here. And then pew. Now we know if we're going along, we're not going to come back to Asia low. Not trading today. How come? Because Asia's done this big move. They only done 460. That's not that bad. You can still trade with a 460 pip Asia move. I mean, yesterday was obviously only 380. Terrible price action. On M30. No, it doesn't look that bad on M30 at all. You're just making higher highs and higher lows. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Made a bunch of equal highs up here. Still technically made a higher low. I'd still take a long from there and look for a new higher high again. I'd still go for that. I would. Why not? Let's obviously go down to M5 and see how it looks here. Could kind of set something up around here. Something around there would be good. Around that level there. Anyway, let me go back to what I was looking at then. If you're not looking at gold, look at silver then. See what silver's looking like. There might be an opportunity there. No, I'm just gonna wait until I see the type of until I see my type of price action. Contracted Tokyo session and gold and silver moving like mirror. Okay, yeah, got ya. Okay, they're both moving crappy then. Got ya. You know, one thing I like is the fact that you say, nah, I'm gonna wait for price action. I like that's really good. That's really good discipline. I'm so proud of you, bro. So proud of you, bro. Is that Asia high? Yeah. Sitting patiently and waiting. Trump says aren't enough talented Americans and the H-1B visas are necessary. So that's going to be, what type of visa is that then? I bet that's going to be visas from Western countries. Watch. It's going to be some like Western country visa or something. The work permit visa. Ah, got ya. No, but if they're pro-America, why are you even giving work visas out, innit? You shut up and just don't give work anything out. You say pro-America all the time, how they always do. Now they're like, oh yeah, we need the visa. Wonder why. Bloody idiots. Bloody idiots. Let's go M2 one here. The reason I think I want to short GBP CHF is because CHF is strong and pound's falling quite bad, as you can see here. I mean, I don't know if price is going to come all the way up here, but we'll take a stab. We will take a stab. 17. Okay. So this is good because you cover both zones actually, and I like the sell-off and the momentum there, and you can target the downside. So this looks nice to me. I'm just gonna quickly set alerts and stuff. Hopefully it lets me do the one I want to do. So 0.25%, 2.5 pips. Sell limit, don't trigger it. Okay, sell limit done. There you go. It worked. It was scared of me. It worked. Okay, so SL is 95. I need to go on to M2 actually on here. Because on here the SL is 94, 92, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So I've done it at 50 on here. And the entry is supposed to be 70. On here it's working out a bit bigger, to be honest. .7 pip SL. I'll do 3.5 pips on here then. Ah, damn it, it's tagged a demand zone, hasn't it? Most of the people in the top 7 countries are foreigners. Jensen, Lisa Sooo, Elon Musk, Sundar Pichai, Satan. Yeah, of course they are. You know, foreigners are more likely to be entrepreneurial and stuff like that. Because they come from a more poor background, they're more inclined to set up business and be on the richer end of the scale. Whereas being a Western born citizen, you're more likely to just be lazy and stuff like that, in the sense that because everything's already easy in the lifestyle and stuff like that, you're not really having to graft and work hard, you know, from that perspective anyway. I'm gonna set the limit on this account as well, and then obviously see how it goes. So I've set limit on there. I'm gonna set an alert over here. But I got a feeling that that's gonna have to completely get deleted in a matter of moments anyway. How do you drag the whole thing? How do you, like, can you move the whole thing? It doesn't let you, does it? No, it doesn't. I thought it let you like move the entire thing in. If it connects like that and like that, they might move the whole thing, but no. I'm still sat in this choppy price action today. Let's have a look at the news really quick. I just want to see what exactly have we got today. So let's look at yellow folder as well then, and then look at AUD and CAD and NZD. What day is it? The 12th, Wednesday. German CPI, that's already come out quite bad. Oh no, come out as forecasted. That's quite good. What am I saying? Yeah, come out pretty good, I guess, as forecasted. 9 AM Italian productions, nope. Eurogroup meetings, nope. German bonds, possibly. Very quiet day on Forex Factory, boss, because everything's yellow, so I don't trust it. Let's look at get rid of AUD, CAD and NZD. Go to financial juice. We got nothing in the way. Isn't the government shutdown almost over? I thought volatility would be tremendous. The market's already priced it in. And what I mean by that is, you know, on the DXY, we had the news of a potential shutdown occurring on Monday, which is why we had this kind of doji occurring. And or was it? I think it was yesterday. I think it was yesterday where it happened. Because if you remember, this candle was also quite a doji, and they ended up falling off of a cliff in New York session when the news come out. Or is the day before? I think it's one of these or these days or something like that where it happened. So I think the market's already pricing it in. But we also had the data to tell us that things aren't looking good, because you had the NFP. And a lot of jobs were kind of taken out the market and stuff, if you remember that. Friday New York session. It could have been Friday New York session, yeah. So I think that's the market already pricing it in. I think that's why I'm starting to see a fall off on the DXY, because up until here, there was no bad news, nothing at all. We swept the highs, having a bit of a reaction. Then we seen the 11,200 jobs decline in ADP. Then we seen the government shutdown potentially ending and stuff like that. But then we seen the government deficit from Trump and all that stuff, yeah. I'm going to delete this limit just because price is coming to it on this account really fast. There you go. And then obviously that's why I think that that we might still continue to get pushed down. I think this level here on DXY is good. 99.0, 99, 98.8 and 98.5. If you're going to get another push back up. But I think also with the ADP data and stuff like that coming in, with the 11,200 jobs lost and stuff like that, if you look at the CME tool, it actually jumped up from 63% to 70%. So that's also indicating CME tool. CME tool. Type in CME. Where do you find the CME? CME group, here we go. So let me show you this in it. So let me just switch my trading view to here. Okay, so here's the Fed. Oh no, not that one. So here's the Fed watch tool. Yeah, so in December this was up to 70% and then it dropped after we had the Jerome Powell speech, or it's like 90% and then it dropped to 70% after the Jerome Powell speech. And I think it did spike up after we had that news yesterday or whatever. It was about the 11,000 jobs. I don't know why I still sat at 65. It should be up at about 70. I'm not sure why. January 30.75. So January they're not cutting anymore. There's only a 26% chance they're gonna cut. There's a 50 to 70% chance they're gonna do the hike or keep it the same. Keep it the same or not cut. January, February, March. I think there's a 38% chance they are gonna cut. April, May, June. I think July was the next one. Yeah, July is 31% chance of a second cut. And then after that, I don't think we're gonna get any other cuts for the rest of the year. Yeah, it looks like nothing for the rest of the year, basically. Then you're looking at March and July for cuts this year. Next year, sorry. And then December, yeah, this is still a bit suspicious, man. We need to see what more data comes out and stuff. Let me just cancel this limit really quick as well. There. So yeah, that's kind of what we're getting. Okay. Hey, Harry, brother Harry, welcome, welcome, Harry. Brother, give me free account. Brother, give me account free. Anyway, so this is beautiful because it's come out, took these highs. Now my question is, do we continue to run bullish from here, from this demand zone, or is this now the opportunity to short? But we've got this entire channel sat right there, like the whole channel's right there, like that entire channel. If I was to drag that over here, it'd probably be like a better channel, to be fair. Let me do that. Look, I was to just drag it over here, or even over here. It's a better channel there, like more cleaner looking channel there. Because you had kind of an extension, took out these highs, dropped down, but then that high's here failed. Right, I hope you're looking at that anyway, Francis. If we break structure again, I think I'm going to take it from this demand zone. Looking at what I was showing you. All the Fed CME tool stuff and all that stuff. You weren't looking, were you? You weren't looking. Okay, so we've come up, took Asia high. Oh, right. Yeah, that's a no. Okay, so let me have a look. I appreciate sharing your details. Allow me a moment to verify details and get back to you shortly. Let's see if they give me the free account. Reading a joke here about math professors getting into plumbing. Oh god. Okay, so see how it's good I didn't take that trade. Wow. Volume come right up, mate. Volume come right up. What to do, man? What to do? Could be an Asia high bounce. Very possible. We do have these lows here also. Let's keep sitting and waiting for an opportunity. It didn't break any high yet. If anything, this was the low I'd like to get into a long from. Unless this breaks structure, then okay, sure, we can look at that. What do you mean? What's 100% retracement? Are you talking about gold? Yeah. For me, I don't mind that because M1 100% retracement's okay. But when it tags a demand zone and you want to take it from a supply zone, bro, that's a bit sussy, you know. Because if you look at all this price action here, build up, sweep, continuation, build up, sweep into the demand zone, continuation, god damn it. That's like not clean at all. Not clean at all. Shit. Holy shit. So yeah, but now we've taken these equal highs into this supply zone now. So now let's see what happens. Because you got this sell-off right here, which gave me volume and time and stuff like that. Looks like a good zone. But let's see now, innit? Let's see what happened, brother. Good trade or bad trade, brother? If I don't catch a trade today, I'm not bothered. It's okay. I'm gonna get YouTube Premium soon as well. This is horrendous. Okay, so there's a bit of concern on this trade because yes, we took these highs and took these highs, but we tagged straight into a supply zone here. We took out a demand zone that price just made. It didn't break structure there to show bullish momentum for it to tag into there. Looking a bit techie, mate. Looking a bit techie. You know what I mean? Looking a bit techie. The days before and after CPI release are usually weird. Even if in the event of tentative, it's still misbehaving. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, brother. You know, these songs really like get stuck in your head, man. But I think it's alright because they're kind of catchy anyway, so they're not bad. So obviously high low, higher high, high low, lower high, lower low, lower high, low low, low high tagged that zone, lower low there, but we tagged into this demand zone, so I'm just a bit suspicious. Then we had a lovely reaction here, bullish. Now we've tagged into this demand zone. Yeah, but they're all right because it's like elevator music where it's not annoying, but it just fills in the gaps. Because you know, with me, I don't know about you, but if I'm trying to work or something like that, I can't do it in pure silence. Like I need peace and quiet, don't get me wrong, but I need something in the background like music, if that makes sense, or like a melody or something, or I can't just work in pure silence. Even that silence makes me uncomfortable. It's weird. See, look, the zone. Okay, so 55, that's okay. What would the SL have? Oh my god, I'd have probably done a 2 pip SL on this. But as I said, I feel like this zone's gonna fail because we failed to, like, if it just took that zone, dropped down, leaving all this zone, then I would have taken longs. I have Hiroyuki Sawano playlist I listen to. That's Japanese. Watashi wa Nihongo no suki desu yo. I'll pick you up, Quinton, but I'm just doing some work right now. Lol. I'll pick you up, Quinton, but I'm friend messaged me thinking I'm someone else because my picture. Similar picture. Lazy guy. Absolute lazy guy. So yeah, beautiful. You see why patience is so good. Just look at that patience, brother, and discipline. Save myself from an L, and there's no way to get short either. I did want to go short, remember, but it's not giving anything yet for a short. I mean, that's valid, but I don't like these types of shorts. Obviously disrespected there, but respected that. That's beautiful. Fell straight down from it. My friend goes, that looks difficult. Yeah, trading's not easy, mate. Oh my god, bro, I found pictures of me when I was young. Oh wow. Do you want to have a look at this? This is hilarious. Oh wow. I don't know if you can see it or not. No. Nah, it's not gonna do it, is it? I'm gonna save these to my phone though because they're funny. Right, let's see what's going on then. Looking like price wants to keep going up. Are we gonna get another fall on DXY? There's a likelihood of that. There is a likelihood that we could get that still. Which, if that is the case, then we can look to flip and go long. I don't want a long GU, I want a long EU, to be honest. So I'm just gonna come over here and have a look what's going on here. It's tagged into the demand zone. EU GU seem to be similar today, but right now a bit different. Okay, London Opens just happened. And prices come what? Up, tag that zone. And now we're getting a push down. That makes me think that we're gonna short. That makes me think we're gonna short on GU. So we come out, took these two highs, dropped all the way down. If we take this zone out and we come back and respect that supply, we could short. I mean, I did want to an EU, but then GU tagged this M5 demand zone to just give a push, isn't it? So I'm just kind of like, ooh, where do we go from here type thing. Well, we can get rid of that. Obviously, we've got all of these zones there. We did a break test continuation on there on the M1. Prices now come taking these highs. Odds are that's gonna go there Thursday, maybe Friday. The next level I can think of. Buyers are still in the market. So I'm not going to go against that. I'm going to keep sticking with longs then if it looks like it's going to keep doing that. Okay, so euros officially took out that zone. It's left a... Okay, here we go. We got a reply. Yeah, they're not giving me the free account. Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. It's okay. Seeing divergence now between pound and euro. But you know, we're not. We're bang on. We're bang on. We're bang on. We took this high, come down. 8 o'clock, come tag that zone, failed to break lower, which is interesting because it should have broken lower, but it didn't. But euro, on the other hand, that's where I should have gone. Different style to the way I normally enter, but that's where I should have gone. But that's fine, it doesn't matter. Go back out in it.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Yeah, it looks like order flowing to the bullish side. Now we've taken our Asia high, which had kind of equal highs there. So let's see what happens here. Because if you get it where London Open does the 15-20 pip move and then the reversal occurs, at least you can try and pattern or try and hop into that potential reversal. Maybe then is the only thing I can think of. So London Open pretty much took these lows here, pushed up from there, not really giving an entry anywhere, unfortunately. Mine just kind of flew off, and I don't want to take it from there because how big is that? You could take it from there, but nah, too late now anyway. Price already couldn't tagged it. You stuck in a range, a channel. How did you go with the payout request? Yeah, they approved it, bro. Alhamdulillah, they approved it. They approved it. So I'm just waiting for it to come through. I'm just talking to the support team now to find out about this 3-day delay, if that's for approvals or if that's for actual payouts included, as in the actual release of the funds. So I'm just checking what they're gonna say about that now. Oh, let's see what they say. 9:30 UK time, that's fine. So I need to speak to the risk team as well. And the risk team is saying that I have to do another cycle of 4 minimum trading days of the same lot. I'm not happy about that, so I'm gonna complain about it and get them to change that, because that's not fair. I've already done it in the last cycle. I don't want me to do it again. What's this all about, man? Making me jump left, jump right, jump up, jump down, do a backflip, flipping. That's, yeah, I know. They're making me do the thing twice. What the hell, man? So yeah, I missed 2 really good trades today, unfortunately, man. 2 really good trades. That'd have been TP1 at 8.5R. QT has liquidity issues. If they have the funds, they wouldn't have too many rules. It should just be reset to funded with no minimum days. Well, just the 4 minimum days, and like just normal 4 minimum days, 2 days 0.5, you can use 0.01. It should go back to that rule. But yeah. Yeah, I don't think it's liquidity issues. I think they're just really trying to... That delay affects new payout requests submitted after the changes. Since it was already submitted, you receive a schedule without any waiting periods. Oh, awesome. Oh, awesome. Thank you. Thanks for the help, Harry. Bye, my friend. Done. Right, Harry's helped. Yeah, the rules, they change like a girl on her pit. I swear down, man, they really do. I get that they're trying to do it because of all the dodgy traders and stuff like that. I get it, but they are not consistent with their rules at all. Not consistent at all with their rules. Look at that, man. Literally, it would have been 8.5R TP1 partials, and then if it went to TP2, it would have been what, 17? Oh god, it would have been about 17.5R. Yeah, damn it. Oh well, you can't be right every single day and be on point every single day. This would have just given a break even right there, and then it would have been tagged at break even. See, look. And with me covering commissions and stuff like that, would have been worse, innit? Very, 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 very unfortunate. I keep sitting and waiting for another trade. What's going on with your interview? Your interview's soon, isn't it? A week tomorrow is your interview. I think you're right about the UK thing. If you're not from the UK, then I think that's when they do it. Next Thursday, yeah, 20th, innit? Next Thursday. Can I come with you? I want to see what they do, man. I want to join the interview. Can I come? Do a Discord call with me in it, then share the screen. I want to see what they say, what they ask and everything, man. I just want to sit there and watch what they say in it, because I'm curious, bro. What they're gonna ask and stuff like that. I want to know, innit? Yalla, come on. Let's do that. There. I'll be quiet in it, and then I just want to listen. Oh yeah. Hello, my name is Patel from Risk Team. Oh, hello, my name is David from Risk Team. I'll screen record. Yeah, screen record and send it me, please. I want to see it. Please, 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 please. 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 So this is literally an Asia high bounce. It bounced from the demand zone after taking this zone out, then pew, flew all the way up. God damn it, man. I almost had feelings of being missed by a trade. Almost had feelings, lol. First, I want to see price come up, yeah, take this level and then drop down. But this could also be a build up, break and a bounce continue. So I'm just gonna have to sit, wait and see what's going on. Boys, do me a favor, hit like, thank you. Now, if I look at this now, yeah, it's just building a bunch of highs. Yeah, with these guys' rules, bro, just I don't know what to say to the guy, man. I was looking in it, yeah, at the rules and stuff like that. At the moment, they have literally the worst rules from all of the payout approved prop firms. They've got the worst rules. They're making fun of ACG, but even ACG is doing better. It's so bad. ACG says when you're funded for your first cycle only, 5 minimum trading days, the minimum lot is 25% of your maximum lot. So if you did a 10 lot, you can do a 2.5 minimum. That's perfectly fine, bro. Perfectly fine. You can go break even, you can do whatever you want to do, no problem. Absolutely no problem. Why did I not take the shorts here? There were shorts right here. Probably because it's very compressed, I don't know. Or I wasn't really paying attention. If I wasn't paying attention, I don't mind. I'm missing trades everywhere today, man. Just reevaluating this. it just fell off a cliff and broke structure and everything, so I need to see confirmation, so I'm gonna wait in it. Personally, there's a bit of indecision going on here because we're not pushing up, we're not pushing down, we're just kind of stuck in a range. We've got buys that are valid and we've got sells that are valid at the same time, so because I can't really figure out which direction to go, I'm just gonna wait on gbpchf. Longs were good there. We obviously had a nice move open from London Open. You just stop that. Just move you out the way over there. And then we've had 30 pip move in the span of how long? About 25 minutes. So the volume's there on yen. I don't know if you and adjust like that, QT will become dysfunctional. Yeah, they will. Trust me, they're just messing themselves up even more and more with the way they're doing things. But I used to like them before, man. Alex was a great person, the thing he bought. I don't know at the moment. I don't know what they're doing, man. I literally don't know what they're doing. Okay, yeah. So Euro's pushing up. Obviously that zone's going to be invalid, this zone right here. Yeah, I know exactly. But you know, a lot of people are stupid in it because they don't think with sense or logic. They just think with, oh, I think it's gonna be okay. What type of mentality is that, bro? Like when you trade, you use data, logic, statistics and stuff like that. When it comes to buying a challenge, they just, I'll go with anyone, bro. They got a good discount. Really? Really? I think longs are the way to go on EU. So you had the build up, you had London Open on the second minute come down, take all these lows here. We've had bullish price action from there. You got this channel, you got this invalid zone. I think if this invalid zone fails, I might look for a long on Euro. That's what I'm thinking. I might be wrong, obviously. That's what I'm thinking. And if I long Euro, it makes sense to short pound CHF anyway. I'm just trying to think of where, because it is valid to short from here. It is valid to short from here, but you've got all of this here here that is imbalanced price action. So look at that, all them gaps. See, it's just a bit confusing for me, I can't lie. Because it came and took Asia low, so there's a bit of suspicion on that price action. Yen's clean for longs. It's come down, filled that level, and if it breaks structure and gives a clean entry to the buy side, I might take that. I'm just wondering about the data though, innit? Because we already extended 32 pips. I'm just like, How much more can it go? It can easily do 70, 80. Let me just have a look at M15 on this. Get rid of that as well. Take Asia high, yeah, it could quite comfortably do that. I think longs are still looking good on yen. I want price to break structure, then leave a demand zone. I'm gonna be willing to take a stab at that. Look at CHF go, man. Look at that. That's going, that is. I like the look of it, but I just didn't want to take it because you got all this going on here. That's all. It's valid, but I didn't like the look of it because of all of that. And you just took Asia low, so it could potentially give a nice little push to the upside as well. So I was like, nope, not gonna take that. I'd rather just sit and wait. Look at this channel right here. I'll trade all year long, mate. I'll trade all year long. Why stop? If the setup's there and the setup's valid, take it, innit? How I should have here, but obviously I didn't because of all that gap there. But look how it go, man. I would have preferred that price kind of like come back in, fill this, then drop, and then leave another level to then go short from there. But you don't get it, but it's absolutely the way you want it, innit? So this was valid, this is valid, this is valid for shorts, but I'm not going to take any of them. I'm just going to leave it. Because if price has already dropped so much, how can I forecast how much further it's gonna go? Yeah, 16 pips already, bro. That's gonna probably either gonna continue melting, or it might just give a reversal at some point in it, as per data. It might come down to take this low, then give a reversal. I'm not sure, or it might just do it a bit higher than that level. I stopped the week before Christmas. Christmas week maybe I'll stop because I might be busy with friends and stuff like that who do celebrate Christmas. But yeah, I don't mind. Like last year Christmas, bro, there was volume in the market, man. There was trades to be had. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Just take 0.1 lot or 0.01 lot, whatever, if they let you in it. If they let you, and then just leave it open 5, 10, 15 minutes and then just close and go for another one for the trade. Yeah, so I want price to come down, take out this channel, take out this channel here, then push up, create a demand zone here, or create a new demand zone and then go long from there. And just wait. Just keep sitting and waiting. Yo, David boy. Boys were legendary yesterday. In pound they were, yeah. And in euro they were. Mambo Ndugu. Mambo Poa. Shorts are good today on CHF. Legend, wait for it. Dairy. Is it gay to trade silver? Bro, I've been telling everyone, forget gold, go to silver. And this guy's, is it gay to trade silver? Silver's the one, mate. If you don't know about silver, mate, you don't know trading. Silver's the one. The one, bro. Silver is the one. Yeah, you had longs obviously from here. I closed the charts in it, so I didn't really look at any of that. I looked at this and I was like, what the hell is this? What the hell is this on GU? And then EU, that was just, look at that, bro. We had all these lows, price come, took those and pew, all the way up. I was like, hello. That was mad. And then obviously, yeah. And then what about yen? What happened with yen yesterday? That must have flew up as well. That's always flying up. Oh yeah, look at that. So tags my break even, then shoots off, then drops down, takes out that low, then shoots all the way off again, then does a drop, then just does some crappy price action. What's gold doing now? Where did I say you could long it from? I said from here, right? And then just cover that low and you would have been all right. You would have been up on gold. One of my invisible trades where I just tell it and then it happens later on. Beautiful. We're trending bearish now. We started to make lower highs and lower lows. That's okay. Brother. Brother. So this was actually quite clean. It took out Frankfurt high. Left the low there, come up, took out Frankfurt high, kind of took out all of this in the channel as well. For me, that's just a bunch of equal highs, yeah, but I suppose it just kind of took out and then fell from there. I would have preferred, you know, if this come a bit higher, I would have preferred it. But nope, you don't get it exactly the way you want it. Poor. Yeah. But the funny thing about pound and euro is euro is making a channel on the lower side, pound's making a channel on the top side. What the hell is this? Yeah, it has, yeah. It's not been bad at all, to be fair. We got more volume in the market and stuff like that. Just the ones that I tend to catch are the ones where they're not the best. Which is fine. I don't mind. But it has been good. I bet an M5 has been really clean, because with M5 you get more coverage and more zones and stuff in it. And you got wider entries and stuff like that. Good morning. Haribo Ndogo.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
One more time.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Fuyo.
Brother. I like that one. I like that one. Brother. If we're gonna short, I want to see price come up, take these highs, give confirmations for a short. If it takes these highs, takes all these zones out and then tags a demand zone first, that's suspicious, yeah, because then obviously it might just continue higher. And then if you see this come drop down, take all this out and then push up and break that zone, then I'm willing to go higher on there, in the hopes that we still continue to push down on the DXY. Let's see if I would have managed to at least get partials here. I don't think I would have. Yeah, see, it's only 7-8 pips, man. Yeah, wouldn't have got partials on there. How you guys doing, man? What trades you looking at? Pico fishy. That's good. Are you in anything or not, D? Mwangi and Ndugu? NGU and gold buys. Oh yeah, gold is not bad. I was saying to buy from about here, but then obviously cover the lows or whatever it is, and then it worked out quite good, to be fair. Pushed up a bit anyway. GJ longs were clean. I just got it completely wrong today. Because it literally built up, broke, tested that from a demand zone and flew all the way up right at London Open. Clean entry, bro. I just seen it as build up and then a super high to push down because you had a channel on the low side in it, but that was my fault in it, because if I'd have looked at price, I'd have realized buyers are in control. And then that we broke that level there for the entry. So that was my mistake for not properly analyzing that. I should have drew it on the charts and then done it, and then it'd have been okay, but it's okay, no problem. I was late in the charts today because I woke up just a tiny bit late, so I did rush a little bit. And then shorts look good on here, build up there, build up there. Bunch of highs here, there. So clearly that buys, the sells are looking good there. And then London Open come, took all of that level out and then sold off. Yeah, it's going all right, man. I woke up today late, innit, and I was on the charts a bit later than what I should have been. And I didn't draw all the stuff out that I normally should have drawn. I just went on to M5 and drew the channels, and that was it. So, yeah. It's okay, man. I've not been that good on the charts recently, man. The charts have been clean, but I've not been that good.
You're behind the markets.
Oh, bro,
if
shut
you're
up,
a
man.
real day trader, go real time.
There. Got rid of him. I caught him. There's the solution. You're behind the markets. I see what you did there. You're behind the markets. Alright, mate, you chill out, yeah? Alright, mate, you chill out, son. You're behind the markets. So let's see what's gonna happen here now then. So the entry was here, price flew up. Then we started to get bearish price action. Now, is it going to hold from a demand zone, or is it going to come take all this out, is what I analyzed earlier. All of this. Put that there. Okay, come took out this low. What's it gonna do now? Because I like that we've left all these highs here. M1. The masks are by. What's happening? Welcome.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
I love that. Welcome to what? Stratton Oakmont, lad. Pound के टट्टी लिख गया. Pound के टट्टी लिख गया. Oh man. Pound shut itself. Look at this. I want to buy. After all of this, I want to take a buy. This low, I think, is a daily low. Yeah, it is. And it's just absolutely flying through it as well. Oof, Euro GBP, what are you doing now? Ripping on its way. Ripping on its way. Man, the Euro is so strong compared to the pound as of recently. Guys, do me a favor, hit like, thank you. Yeah, come down, keep coming down, keep coming down. It's like 26 pips, there we go. Whoosh. Yep. Don't buy a new challenge until you've passed the challenge, bro. What? Why you wanna buy a challenge when you still haven't passed the challenge? The whole purpose is you have the strategy, you should pass and stuff like that. Not, oh, I'm failing, so I'm gonna buy another one. If you're gonna do that, I'll set up a prop and give me the money, bro. Fail and give me the money. Oh my god. GBP NZD is where it's at. Yeah, I don't trade NZD. Man, you get your revenge later. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. He's looking for the triple from the markets. He wants to give a triple, but he's gonna get triple. New challenge, let's go. Fuck's sake. This guy is so bad. This guy is so bad. I swear to God, this guy is so bad. Oh, yeah.
Emotional damage. Uncle Roger don't like you. Fuyo. Why yeah, so man. Weak? So weak. Why yeah, so man. Weak? So weak.
Bloody hell, here's another one. Allahu Akbar. Sell one kidney and that has nothing to do with trading. Oh my god, man. You guys are funny.
Emotional damage.
Too much damage. Whoa, fucking look at the pound. It's falling. Yo, this payout's gonna be good, you know. This payout's gonna be really good. Oh my god. It's gonna be, how they say, exceptional. Bro is buying challenges but passing none. Exactly, that's what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna make a prop firm just for him, man, and then he can pay for like my lunch, dinner, and breakfast, because he enjoys it too much. Sorry, boys, I called the Prime Minister of UK, threatened him a bit, hence why the pound is getting pounded right now, bro. This pound, I've seen this on Pornhub, yeah. It's when there's a white girl and there's 10 black men around her. This was happening right now, getting pounded from this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle. Astaghfirullah. Pounded from every angle, mate. From every angle.
Haram! Brother, brother.
Wallahi al-Azim, you are gay.
Don't say this to me.
Wallahi, you are gay. Wallahi, you are gay.
Haram! Wait, well, one second, let's get...
Haram!
That's the one from Tate, innit? Minister Tate. We follow Minister Tate around here. Minister Tate. Allahu Akbar. Anyway, yeah, this just... the pound's getting hammered, bro. Getting absolutely hammered. Is there any news? There has to be some news, bro. This is bad. This is really bad. 130. Andrew. There you go. New sound. We added a new sound to the soundboard. Wait, where's it gone? There you go. There you go. Bro got the premium sandbox. Yeah, get me, cozy. Yeah, get me. You have me gotten, yeah? Quality over on this YouTube stream, mate. Quality. We might not catch trades yet, but we catch jokes instead. Allahu Akbar. Even Darth Vader blade is in that red. Oh dear. Yeah, let's just have a look at all these limits, bro. On bro. Euro pound up 0.2%. CHF JPY up 0.6 almost. VIX still hovering around 17, so it's not bad. Silver up 1.2, Bitcoin up 1.4. Interesting. I heard Osama was trading US oil in Pakistan, hence why US got him. I don't. Yeah, mate, kudas. Wait, there's a soundboard for that. There's a soundboard. Yeah, mate. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, oi, oi. I'm gonna stick that on the soundboard as well. And I'm gonna follow it with the perfect haram.
Brother,
Uncle Roger don't like you.
Uncle Roger don't like me or you. He don't like me or you. Brother, okay, so if you wanted to go long, on the pound, you would have got demolished. Obviously I thought that longs would be the play today, because I thought, you know, seat there, invalid zone there, build up there, seat there, continue higher. I never expected for this move to happen, because Asia high sweeps are not so valid. We've seen it right here on yen. Asia high got swept, it didn't come down, London Open flew all the way up, yeah. And now Allahu Akbar, yeah, subhanallah, look at the price here, like it's just awful, yeah. Oof. Where can I find the video behind that audio for research purposes? Where can I find the for which video? Oh, the soundboard for that also.
According to TASS, Russia is ready to resume talks with Ukraine in Istanbul.
You know that sound, yeah? Please tell me it. Walazim, you are haram.
Haram! Haram! Brother, it's a trap.
It's a trap, bro. You got caught in the trap. You got caught in the trap, bro. Yeah, that's my hub, the research hub theme. Yeah, bro. Everyone's a research hub, innit? Oh my god.
Emotional damage.
Wallahi al-Azim, you are gay.
Don't say this to me.
Wallahi you are gay. Wallahi you are gay.
This soundboard's brilliant. Okay, so pound fell off a cliff. Is this gonna be the redemption zone? Is this gonna be the zone of redemption? I pray it is. Because you've come, took that channel out, absolutely annihilated that channel. Beautiful. The London Open's a good trade, yeah, because it's fast moving trade. Then obviously this was really slow, and then pew, just flew through the, like, went through the toilet, man. Absolutely went through the toilet. Oh, through the toilet. So now we've come down, we've took this low here. What the hell? We've took this low here. Now let's see if this is gonna give. I'm gonna look for a potential reversal from here. Let's see if there is anything available. So close to making equal highs there as well, weren't we? So let's sit and see what happens here. Either we're gonna continue to get a push down, or we might start creating structure and go up. Obviously that makes sense because there's only two options available. I'm gonna get rid of that. Completely wrong on that. Allahu Akbar. Get rid of that. Completely wrong on that one. Now we've had this massive move down. We need some type of recovery, bro. We need some type of recovery. Oh, David's thank you, David, for the thing in the Discord. Thank you for the thing in the Discord. Okay, now might be a good time to share all the social media stuff. That one there, and then here's the code for discount on the trade copier and the Discord. There you go. Have fun. Hey. So that one's wrong, obviously. Shouldn't be there. Na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Okay, Amal's going. Okay, bye, Amal. Thank you for coming. That's what I'm thinking. I want to take, well, I don't think price is gonna go there today anyway, but at least to take out Asia high in the invalid zone on top. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah, buys. Amal's leaving early today, no problem. Amal, he's going to buy another account. Please Amal, don't do it. Don't buy another account, Amal. Don't do it to yourself. You can do better. You can do better. Okay, right, which account should I buy? Buy one when you pass. When you pass this challenge, then I'll tell you which one to go for. Until then, Habibi, just relax, please. Please relax. Don't give your money to the prop firm for free, man. There's hungry people, starving people. Think about them. Let's just go to this zone here. So I want to target up to there at least, yeah. What's going on with Swiss? Halil's not been here recently. Need price to come down, make a low, or tag the demand zone, come up, make a high, leave another demand zone from somewhere here, or just do something like that and then give me that zone there, and then I'll take a long back into the middle of the gap that it just created, that huge drop off we had. So let's just get this out. And then all the pound crosses are falling off a cliff. Euro is going to be the one to long, man. Just be mindful of the pound falling like down the toilet, man. Oof, so bad. Let's look on 30 seconds. That's still making lower highs and lower lows. I needed to kind of touch that zone. Come up here, break structure. Obviously, we got a few equal highs here. I need to come up, take that level, break structure there, and then we can start looking at potentially getting into a long. And they've still got this invalid zone up here. You could say that's a breaker structure there, but I've got a feeling it's a sweep of Asia low, Asia midline low, if that makes sense. And a potential push up from here. So let's see if I'm right or if I'm wrong. Actually, I have a new way of trading. Like, I don't constantly check my balance. I just take a trade as if it's one of my setups. Huh? What do you mean by that? That sounds suspicious. better. Do you not realize when I take a trade, I have pips instead of money, because money just adds that greed factor in it. Whereas when you change it to pip value, you just target pips and percentages. It's easy for you to detach from the money aspect. Now, when you see that I'm in a trade and I'm up like $20,000-$30,000 across all the accounts, you don't see that I'm not that bothered, because I'm focusing on the pip value, not the pound value or the dollar value. Okay, Euro took that zone. Yeah, I'm talking about that. Yeah, exactly. That's good. Just get rid of all the money related things that you see, and then you just make it as work based as you can. Okay, we're still falling down. We're still falling down. Okay. Yeah, that's good. It's gonna make your psychology better. You're here to trade for money, obviously, because it's a job, yeah, but you're not only here for money, like you're here to work as well, you know what I mean? And work means just following the trading plan, and if you struggle to follow the trading plan because of money, then obviously you need to get rid of the money factor, don't you? I'm here for Latinas. Ah, me gusta hermosa Latinas. Muy, muy grande culo. Mwah. Bellissimo, which is Italian. But say because Brother Tate's here.
Haram! Brother,
Uncle Roger don't like you.
Seeing price continue to fall. So if we continue to break structure and stuff, you can just look for the nearest supply zone to take a short from then. Still keeping that, still keeping that. Got funded bad trader. If you wanted to short, here's your zone. Because it looks like price is still falling. If you break structure here, there's going to be a new zone. Biryani funded. One second. I'm alive. The biryani funded got me. The biryani funded got me, man. That's gonna be a spicy SL. The biryani funded's gonna be a spicy SL. Ah, Bismillah. I am a profit buyer. Also, I've just realized another thing. Shorts were the play because look at this channel, yeah, that we did end up taking, and then obviously we had a counter channel in it, So obviously we had this internal channel against it. So it seems as though this sweep of Asia high, all this price action, and then the sweep of obviously this channel here was the right play. Looking back at it, that doesn't make sense. Hindsight, obviously everything's more clearer. It makes sense. Makes sense. Use code chicken biryani for 50% off. Have I got anything for that? Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why he's the MVP. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
Please, B, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out.
You know what I mean? That's why we need that 50% of the biryani, man. We need the biryani code. We need the what biryani code? But you know like how English people say chicken biryani in the UK. I want to go for a biryani. Yeah, flipping buffs. Chicken biryani. Shut up, Dave. Sit down. Relax yourself. Okay, so GJ's looking good. GU's looking clean. It did respect that demand zone. Is starting to push up from there. Inshallah, we get momentum there. We create a new demand zone if we miss that one, and they can take it from there if it lets us. If not, then it's fine. But in CHF, it's literally broke structure there, tagged into this supply zone just now on CHF. But we know CHF is far stronger than the yen, because look at CHF is down, GC is down 0.4%, GJ is up 0.2%. Bashi, I forgot where is 2-leg useful. I use it on everything. I use 2-leg on pretty much everything. The only thing I don't use it on is in the failure of an invalid zone. I take it directly, or the break and test from a or the break and test. So where was it? So you had this channel here. Let me find where the hell was it? Isn't it like here? Here. That's the only time. So basically I've took this trade before a few times, man, so I don't know why I managed to get it wrong today. Hello. So we broke structure there. Lovely. We've got a demand zone there which is absolute miles away, miles and miles and miles away. If it makes a new demand zone, we can take it from there. But that is a huge SL. Oh god, that's a big SL. I'm not taking that. Nope. I can go for a new demand zone. So yeah, pretty much like this. So I remember why I was a bit sketchy with this, because we had this channel going up here. So I was suspicious, yeah. And we had price sweep the high. And we were right near London Open, so I thought, right, price might want to come down in London Open, take this zone out, leave a supply zone, then go higher. But this is completely valid. Build up, break structure, took out Asia high, and then come to the nearest demand zone, tagged it, and absolutely flew off in London Open. So this is completely valid, but you don't need a 2-leg. But the reason I got mistook on that was because you had all this below it, which is valid. You took out Asia high, which could potentially give a short-term drop to take these lows out. With London Open around the corner for these lows to be taken out, London Open to fly up. So it was completely valid what I was thinking. I just didn't realize that this is happening right now. So that's technically valid right now. I was being a bit too careful. but I don't mind that because I prefer being too careful, because I want the best quality setups anyway, so I don't mind that. So that's what happened there. And then this I don't know where this come from, bro. I don't know what sweep happened here, bro. But yeah, pound 30 bucky, bro. Pound ke 30 bucky. Like it shot itself hard. Also got 1 high, 2 high, 3 high, 4 high, 5 relatively equal highs right here. So it makes sense price wants to fly up and take that level out. Do you understand? You got it? I'm gonna delete that now. Come on, man, give me something clean in it. Okay, that would have failed if you did take it from there. The euro is still pushing down, pound slowly pushing up. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Resistance liquidity on London Open. So all London Open did on GJ, well, right near London Open, 3 minutes before was tag a zone for entry, yeah? So within London Open, 2-3 minutes after, 2-3 minutes before, maybe 4 minutes after, 4 minutes before, London that time can mitigate a zone and fly off from there, which is what happened here. So we had obviously, oh yes, these highs. Let me just go on the 1 hour, and 1 hour is gonna be cleaner. So all of these highs right here, 1 high, 2 high, 3 high, 4 high, 5 high, technically 6 high. So prices took all them out. It tagged into Asia midline supply zone on M30 or 1 hour supply zone right here. You can see it, that supply zone. Then it gave that massive wick down, and now we're pushing back up again. So you got it, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These highs in it. Now let's look for a trade, because we might get something any second now and then. Need to be prepared for it. Got these highs here now. I prefer it comes down, fills this level in break structure given a demand zone, please, because I can't enter from that right there. It's just too unrealistic. We're gonna see now what happens, innit? Personally, I want this price to just come down, fill this gap in a bit, so then all this is balanced price action, and then if it breaks structure, give me demand zone, take along. And we're at 9:30 as well, so if it happens in the next few minutes, it'll be good. Euro is still kind of, I don't know, it's a bit consolidated, isn't it, Euro right now? Could have gotten shorts, but buys will be better on GU. Yeah, because it fell off so hard, they might have to do, I kind of expecting it to come back up a bit, innit? So let's see what happens. I just hope that if I do get a trade, my trade copy doesn't freak out on the other accounts. But yeah, it did tag a supply zone right there. But it's tagged this demand zone first, hasn't it? That's why I like to wait in it to see what happens. Is it gonna like make a higher low and then take that zone out? We don't know. That's why you wait in it and you just see what happens. This should be making a lower high to make a lower low because it's tagged that supply zone. Unless it breaks structure there, creates a new low and then creates a new high, then you can go long in GC. But as I said, I don't like the idea of going long in GBPCHF. Oh, Trump. Oh, Trump. There you go. Got rid of him, don't we? Okay, so now we broke structure here. That's valid, but it's a bit close, isn't it? It's valid, but it's a bit close. Setting a buy limit on here. I'm gonna go for it and just see how it goes, and on here too. Let's see how that goes on GJ, if it's gonna play ball or not. Everything else is coming down, so I'm just banking on gbpjpy to kind of be nice with me today. I would like buys, but it's not giving anything yet. $9.30, and if it tags it in 9:30, then I'm confident it's gonna go well. Well, let's see what happens then. You see, I have a new hobby, editing videos. Oh, that's good. I need a video editor. I have to make sure on the FTMO and the 200k account that it does trigger if it tags. Is it gonna tag us or is it gonna go? You can check my IG. Yeah, I will. I've made reels. Oh, that's good. Send some reels to me, innit? I'll have a look. We failed to make a lower low here, to be fair. It's looking good. I just want GJ to come down, tag me into that zone, and then push up from there, but don't know. It might just swerve me and just go from here. I'm not sure. And if it does take me out, it's okay, because I know why you've got all this gapage here in it. So it might take me out, come fill all this in and fly up from there. If it does, I accept the loss. It's fine. GBPUSD is going higher, which is good. Pound is against the dollar, probably a bit weak, but it's okay. Let's have a look here then, David. That's a trade. Like, it just led to showing me. One sec, yeah. I think the price is gonna swerve me, man. They're gonna pay me out, should be in the next 2 days, 2-3 days. Very slow process, man. They have a very slow process. That's just taking me to your... That's just taking me to your thingy, bro. Your profile. Yeah, look at that go, man. What the hell? Now the new zone to enter from becomes this. Which has already broke structure and started to tag into, so I'm too late for that anyway. I wanted to come down, take this low into this zone, and then push up. Yalla, yalla, yalla. Come on, mates. Come on, mates. Oh, those posts. Oh, okay. Got you. I will have a look at those later. Shedling, yeah. I got it. Yeah. I'll have a look at them later. This first one is... Yeah. But that lion's sick. And the little bird running around. You know, you can just use the AI software to do all this for you, bro. Because I bet you can get AI ones now. Head the monkey. Oh, gazelle. That giraffe is massive. Oh, ostrich. That looks quite good, you know. That's not bad, bro. Right, what's price doing now then? Pull down, tag me in. Yalla. And then let's fly from there. We're at 36 past 9, so 6 minutes after 9:30. So it'd be nice to get that entry now and then push up. Waiting for GU. Yeah. GC is looking okay because it's making higher highs and high lows internally from that bit of the sell-off. Yen's obviously weaker, so I think the longs are better on yen, but it's just not. It's made equal lows almost. 1, 2, 3 lows. It's made a few lows right there, so that's okay. If it wants to come down, tag these lows out into this demand zone, that's fine. I'm willing to work with that. I don't want to take it. If it breaks through and leaves this demand zone, I don't want to take it because then you've got 4 lows sat right there. So it could take that zone, wick these lows out into this zone here and fly up from there. Because literally look at all these lows. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal lows right there. Yeah, I don't like the look of that. I'd rather wait for that zone to get taken into my demand zone for an entry. Just keep waiting. I think I might get swerved on this. There's a possibility of that. Don't like the look of this price action though right now. Obviously you've had a big move in it, so it's gonna obviously die a bit the volume out, which is possible, but sometimes it kind of consolidates, then does another push again. So I'm hoping that we'll get that second push coming in.
Working across teams is tough, but Asana helps you handle it.
Sounds Israeli, I can't lie. Just the two of us talking like it was before. Yeah. Those were good days, man, when we caught TPs on live stream. Good days, man, good days. Inshallah, it'll happen again, don't worry. Euro is pushing down, DXY is pushing up, which means yen is gonna fall off at the back of there, which is fine. But I just need to tag the zone. Just tag the zone. Crazy TPs, bro. I know, yeah, they were good. That's, you know, when you see TP like that, it just makes you more patient, innit? Because it's like, you know what, if I catch those trades more often, why do I need to take loads of trades? And it's just good, innit, to have that patience and stuff. So come on, yen, come take those lows out, tag me into the into the demand zone and then fly from there. The SL is tight because I want to cover the low by 0.5 pips, by 1 pip because of the spreads, but there's going to be a tight one on this, bro. Actually, you know what? Let's modify it. Let's modify the order. Stick an extra thingy on there. and then go down to 0.5 and then confirm there. I'm just doing a bit of an extra sell on there just to be safe in it. So now, no, just got that there. So now we should take those lows into the demand zone and then push up from there. Come on, buddy. So close to triggering, but instead it's just kind of making another low. Has made another low pretty much. I'd like to see it start to come down into this zone, consolidate for 2, 3, 4 minutes, then start to push up, and then give me a break even at that level there, quick break even. If I get tagged at break even, I'm okay with that. At least I tried. And obviously if you get dollar strength and then we get yen weakness, obviously off of the back of that, that supports this trade even more. Because we're starting to see euro and pound level out, aren't we? We're seeing euro and pound slowly level out. So I'm hoping it's going to be pounds holding its level, euro is falling off, meaning DXY is becoming stronger to then give relevance to the GJ long. Using cross divergence and all that stuff, and correlation, all that stuff. Even if it like just swerved my entry by like 1 pipit and then flew and break structure, then I wouldn't mind a new demand zone from there. Because it's still kind of a bunch of equal lows right near each other, I'm suspicious of that. Funded Next is really good. They've been great with me. Funded Next have. I would only say Funded Next to be fair, and then after Funded Next, E8. E8 is a good prop firm, and Funding Pips or whatever it's called, that really popular one. Okay, is it gonna tag the entry now or not? Bike no, you know. No. Oh, Bani sa desa tu ye Bani 2-3 दाने लग सी देने ना. ये थोड़े मठेन. दुआ लाजा की तासी घंटा ने बाद बीते सने ने ये मठेन. Yeah, desa yeah, alhamdulillah. $618. So pound koi 470, 480 pound osi. Yeah. They can sign it. They can sa sadqa thoraine. But they get to some sadqa only they can know. There's made another low there, still not done anything. मैं तक क्या ही नहीं कितना देता है ये ने हाली साथ रात सदका तक नहीं ना पहना कितना देना मैंने हाल पॉइंट 30-40 और दिया ये क्या कितना सदका दिया मैं नहीं पता पंज नहीं मां को तेरा चेंज नहीं है ने मां को हाली नोट है ने 10 ना नोट है 5 ना नोट मां को नहीं तो से कुल 5 है अला ये दो वापस फिर तू सर रखी क्यों 5 मां से तो फिर छोटे दियो मी 5 या बिकॉज़ मैं ये कम करना होने नहीं फिर तो सर मां से दे क्यों सद का 5 पाउंड फिर देनी इसमें पैसे वापस लाइस ने करो अकाउंट आंदा सी ये थोड़े पैसे में रखसा थोड़ी मारे से थोड़ा है ने ओ pound 380 pounds 370 फिर उस पैसे वापस पूरे लाइस ने करो अकाउंट की ना फिर पूरा पैसा वापस लाया सी ये नहीं no, obviously पहले अकाउंट लोडी ने फिर पैसा बना सा वाले ने parents don't understand trading man okay I just literally needed to tag this zone man so close yet so far oh dear I'm willing to go long on GJ and go long or go short on Euro. So it'll be 2 trades. I suppose we did kind of you can get rid of that. I suppose we did break structure here. We got a supply zone right here. Crap. Suppose you could go short there if you wanted to, because you broke structure there. And it's about to tag now. Here we go. Is it gonna tag or not? Yen's playing games, bro. Yen's playing games. So it's just tagged that supply zone there. It was a bit late on that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Hey, this is also a channel. If you look at that, that's also a channel that we just come out and talk. Ah, interesting. Okay, so back to tag. I'm tagged in some of the accounts. Let's see if this is going to be a L or a TP or whatever. Did it trigger on all of my accounts this time? Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That was a faster sell. Lol, that's funny. That's funny. That is hilarious, lol. That's the good thing about trading M1, man. You get fast SL, fast TP, bro. We're done for the day. Called it. Oh god, that's hilarious. Another 0.5 loss on the thingy account. Okay, let's have a look at the other accounts now. The FTMO, how much did that lose? Okay, 1%. So I think I've nailed the trade copier on that one. Then what about the 200k account with Quant Checo? Went AFK now, but I took a loss in literally 1 minute, bro. Literally 1 minute I took a loss. Tagged the zone, failed. Literally tagged it right there and then ping, failed. One M loss, yeah, no problem. I'm just looking at all these accounts to make sure it wasn't exactly 1%, is 1 point. It's like 0.75%, which is good enough. Right, so that's done. I'm gonna close all the accounts down now because there's literally no point looking anymore. And I might look at New York session. Everything's coming down, which is annoying because it's literally everything coming down. But cholo, these things happen, man. So what was the loss on this account? 0.5%. That's not too bad. How about on this account? Should be, yeah, that's okay. I don't mind that. Accounts aren't too bad. Now what about this one? How much loss was on here? 50. So that was about 1% loss. That's okay. And what about this one? It's just under 1% loss, so that's still okay. I didn't realize you could add commissions actually. Let me just add commissions on this account as well. So here, columns, commissions. Yeah. So commissions are there. That's sick. They can add commissions onto the chart. Yeah. It's not that bad. I'm not that bothered in it, bro. Flipping, the strategy is gonna have fails and stuff like that, so it's not the end of the world. If I take a loss, it is what it is, innit? Just post it online and that's it. That's all you can do. I just need to let it update with the entry and the SL and stuff like that, and then I'll stick it on the charts. The markets had me today, bro. They had me today. Build up. Inducement pushed all the way down. Yeah, that makes sense. It's easy in hindsight, innit? But that's where experience comes into play, man, and just following your plan and stuff like that. build up, inducement, push down from there. Yeah, makes sense. Then it fell down. Yeah, it does make sense. It was here. Yeah, I'll have a look at New York in it. If I catch something, great. If I don't, it doesn't really matter. Just keep doing what you're doing in it. That's all you can do. But I said if I'm going to take that trade, I know price might take these lows and fill this gap and go from there. So it could push up from here. And if it does, that's fine. I don't really care. If it goes down, that's fine. I don't really care either way, you know. So let's just prep for New York session. Now this is probably not going to be New York session. It's going to be London tomorrow most likely. And then what about GU? So for New York session, yeah, this is possible. This low here. And then even this low here is possible. This high here and this high here. GBPCHF. And get rid of that. I'm expecting there to be a bearish New York and CHF. Oh, there you go, it's updated now. Perfect. Download that. Download the save to folder. Perfect. Now I can go. Perfect. I'll post that everywhere after the stream, innit?
Japan's Takaichi says we exchange views on package and growth strategy.
I suppose we could look at this high here also for New York session. That's me pretty much done, I guess. Actually, I'm gonna keep that in case it does, just in case it does a bigger reversal, but shouldn't do, but just in case it does. But yeah, man, looking back at price action now, I see where I went wrong. So I'm gonna watch the stream back, see where I went wrong on the stream. Like, where was I going wrong on viewing price action?
You're a real day trader.
Oh, this guy is
real
annoying.
time
I can
and
close him down
financial
now.
juice.
You can shut up. Thank you. What's annoying? Yeah, very annoying. I know. Yeah, very annoying. Very annoying. But cholo, that's what I'll probably do anyway. When I cut the stream, I'm gonna go back, look at price action, see what was I viewing, and where did I go wrong. This is why I like live streaming, man. It's good because if you do go wrong, you can see your mistakes and stuff like that. And then kind of learn as a trader and grow as a trader, innit? Because you can't be right every single day. I noticed the GJ pretty quickly. As soon as the London Open occurred and pushed up, I was like, oh my god, the London Open entry at that channel and stuff. GBPCHF, yeah, made sense to be honest, but I was looking for price to come up and take. What the hell? Why is it open the NVIDIA control panel? Because then I noticed it on here. Yeah, I know. Trust me, my ass hurts sometimes, bro. And this is a comfy chair. It's just because it's got the heat, the massaging feature. It's not so padded in certain places, which is unfortunate. So yeah, making lower highs and lower lows, build up street there, build up of all these highs, street there, break structure there. London Open comes, takes the zone out right there, and then shorts all the way down. But there was no entry from there. There was entry from here, but I was a bit suspicious of that after it's done all that move there. But I should have taken it, because if I did take that with a 2.5 pip SL, which is fair, would have caught a massive move on that. 15 pips would have been first TP or the close of that candle. So TP1, or I could have been greedy and held it. If the volume's there like this, could have held this. I don't know, I probably would have taken partials there. So about 6.8. Would have given TP2 though. Ooh, only just, yeah, so I would have taken TP2 there, yeah. No, that was actually fair. So I should have taken that trade. Because I didn't take it because I seen that go there and I was like, yeah, price might give a reversal and stuff. I should have got into that. That was valid. So why did I not take that? Because I said it took Asia low, it could do reversal. Fair point. Very fair point. Better to be safe than sorry. If there's an invalidation, don't take it. Was it right to not take that trade? I think it was right to not take that trade because obviously the invalidations are there to protect you on this. If you're going to short it and it's just swept to zone, that could give a reversal. So actually, you know what? I'm glad I didn't take that. Even seeing all of that price action, I don't really care because I'm going to catch another trade anyway. This is good for you because you're literally seeing me go through the way how I fix my psychology. So you're literally seeing how I do it, which is good, I guess. But I did want shorts because I did say I want price to take the high and drop down, so I'm happy with my overall bias. Obviously just the entry was a bit tricky, which is fine, that's okay. When you trade M1, you're gonna have these like difficulties and issues and stuff like that. Let's look at pound now. So what did I do on pound? Same. Oh, why is it there? So on pound, I was thinking price come out and swept these lows here, gave a bullish structure here, bullish structure here. I was like, okay, probably it could be the case where Asia low is swept something and then it starts to give a bullish reaction. It could be the case where you can still take long, so that makes sense. Build up, sweep down here, broke structure here for longs. Yeah, makes complete sense, man. To go long there. That does make sense. Completely valid. Not sure why I didn't take that. Probably because of EU or something to do with EU maybe. Then flew up from here. But also, if you look at it, M5, what else can we see at the same time? So you've got a build up of this entire channel here. We've come, London opens, come, taken the Asian highs, taken that build up there. It's taking these equal highs here. I remember when I said in it, oh, I could have took a short here. What did I say then? I said I could have taken a short here, but I don't like how that price action is. To be fair, let's see. So lower, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. If I took it from there, did 2.5 pip. So I'm just looking in it, yeah. So if I'd have took it here, look, it would have given break even and tagged break even anyway, so I would have been out of that trade regardless, innit? Look, so even if I did take it, I would have been out because it would have been the first structure break in it right there, so it would have been a quick break even, and then price would have flew all the way down. So even if I did take that, it would have just been a break even trade anyway because of that, innit? Or if you wanted to, you could say higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. Still would have been from that zone regardless, and you still would have had a break even in it because that's 40, so that's fair. 2.5 fair. Yeah, I don't see there being any way where I could have caught that trade because from the entry and the break even process I would have been tagged anyway. But sellers were in control throughout a lot of the price action here. Had all these highs, take, broke structure there. Then you had could say these highs here, take, broke structure. Then you had this channel here that got taken, but then it pushed higher from there, didn't it? Which is true. Because then if you look at this price action, you could say easily build up, didn't break structure, and then come down. So it took out these lows, then broke structure. Then you had this build up here, so then you can see buyers coming into the market, and then you see this price selling back down again. But I remember saying something like there's this channel here and you've just swept Asia high, but you had buyers sat here, you had buyers sat here, you had buyers sat here, and you had Asia low. So actually, yeah, it does make sense because obviously the best buyers are stepping in, but then there's still a form of liquidity, aren't they, to get taken out. So yeah, it makes sense actually. It does make sense. Does make sense. Let's just get rid of all of that. Hey. Yeah. So right, that's what I'm seeing on GU anyway. So that's fair. That's fair. What about EU? Then let's have a look at EU and it going back on here. Go back on 2 as well, and then just stretch that out so I can see a bit better. Nothing happening there, but we had a bunch of highs here. I'm going buys. Let me have a look. So there, pushed all the way down. There's nothing signaling here. There's just structure. We did take out these lows from here and then push up from there. And then we had this channel here, which had a bit of a drop back and then a fly up. And then you had this entire channel here. Price come down. London open. Took the low to then push up higher, which makes sense. So that should have been an invalid zone. This here should have been an invalid zone. But if we looked at GU, we've seen that price is given a signal to come down. And because that all these buys, and it just ended up being a trend line here. I see where I went wrong, but I think I still would have viewed the market in the same way, you know, bro. I would have viewed the market in the same way, honestly. If you're gonna go buys, just make sure it's part of your trading plan and stuff like that. I'm not gonna say anything until that trade's hit TP or until it's hitting SL, if that makes sense. Because just because I do streaming and stuff like that or whatever, bro, and I've caught good trades, doesn't mean I'm right every time. You could be right this time and I could be completely wrong, innit? Just putting the trade on social media. And then stick it in the Discord too. There, done. I need to update Instagram, you know, but I'm too lazy, bro. I can't be arsed with it. Let's drop the links in the chat. There. Right then, David. What are you saying with your trade? Have you took it yet or not? Or are you still thinking? I'll have a look at gold. Gold flew up really good, then it just consolidated and all, well, dropped all the way back down again. Now starting to make a move again. Not yet. I think I'm done, David. I think I might cut the stream, you know. Yeah, see it, bro. Take it easy, man. If you do trade, just be careful. Right, guys. I'm gonna see if I can catch anything in New York. If not, I'll just wait till tomorrow, see if there's anything a bit more clean tomorrow. But yeah, L today, it's not that bad. The last few trades, 1 L, 3 break evens, another L, that's fine. A TP should be coming soon, hopefully. So yeah. Alright guys, take it easy, man. See you later. Peace out. Bye.